Now, next we are going to move on mole and number test. If you multiply mole by Na, you will get number, and if number is given, just divide it by Na, you will get mole. For example, calculate number of molecules in 5 moles of H2O. So what you are going to do, mole is given, therefore number of H2O molecule will be 5 into Na. Simple. Now, to increase its trickiness, what I'm going to ask you is calculate total number of atoms in 5 mole of H2O. I'm asking about atoms, and you are given moles of water molecule. So first calculate number of molecules. The number of molecules will be 5 into Na. See, Mahesh, you don't have to calculate atomic masses, okay? As you will get used to of it, you will remember all the atomic masses. Okay, for example, if you have any questions like you don't know about the atomic mass, just ask me. Okay, as you do practice, you will learn all the atomic masses. It is still new for you. Okay, so don't worry about it. Slow is good. So number of molecule will be 5 into N. In one H2O molecule, there are how many atoms? 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So therefore, there are 3 atoms in one water molecule. You have 5 into Na molecules. Therefore, total atoms will be 5 into Na, that is total number of molecules, into 3. This will give you total number of atoms. That is 15 Na is your final answer. I'm going to explain this again. Okay. In first part, I just asked you what will be the total number of molecules in 5 mole. So what I did, I was given water molecule. So what I did is I multiplied 5 mole by Na. Okay, so 5 into Na will give me my number of water molecule. In second part, I told you to calculate total number of atoms. I had given you about water molecule, but asking about atoms. So first, what you are going to do, you are going to calculate number of molecules first. The number of molecules will be 5 into N. And as you can see, there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, which will give you 3 atoms in one molecule. So if you are having this many number of molecules, the total atoms will be 5 into N into 3, that is 15 N. Please let me know if you want this explanation again. Okay, no? Okay, let's try one question. Calculate total number of atoms, total number of oxygen atoms, total number of sulfur atoms, total number of hydrogen atoms in 5 mole of H2SO4. You have to calculate total number of atoms, total number of oxygen atoms, total number of sulfur atoms, and total number of hydrogen atoms in 5 mole of H2SO4. No, keeping Na spin. Why are you asking about sodium? Okay, you are telling me the answer. Okay, 35 Na. I don't think so. This is correct. KP. KP has given me an answer of 35 Na. Huh. Okay, you are telling me about total number of atoms, right? Yes, 35 Na is correct. So everyone, KP is very quick in this. Okay, I have given you about molecules. So first calculate number of molecules. So number of H2SO4 molecules will be 5 into Na. Now for oxygen atom. There are 4 oxygen atom in one H2SO4 molecule. If we have this many molecules, then you will have 5 into 4 into Na. That is 20 Na. So oxygen atom will be 20 Na. Next is sulfur atom. There is one sulfur atom. You have this many molecules. That is 1 into N. So Na is for sulfur. Now for hydrogen atom, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, right? Therefore, for hydrogen atom, 2 into 5 Na. That is 10 Na. For total number of atoms, see how many atoms are present in one H2SO4 molecule? 4 oxygen, 1 sulfur, and 2 hydrogen. Therefore, there are total 7 atoms, right? So total number of atoms, total atoms will be 7 into 5 into n. That is 35 n. I hope everyone is clear in this. KP, how you got hydrogen atoms as 20 n? By mistake. Okay, fine. Okay, now let's move on to some JEE mains level. Okay, that would be mass, mole, and number relation. If mass is given, you have to calculate mole first. That is by dividing it by gram molecular mass, you will get mole. And just multiply mole by Na, you will get number. If number is given, divide number by Na, you will get moles. And when you have to calculate mass, just multiply moles by gram molecular mass, you will get mass. Okay. Now, for example, you have given 4.2 gram of 4.2 gram of N3 minus, and you have to calculate total number of valence electron. So I just moved you to JEE mains level. Okay. So you have given mass and you have been asked about number. So first mass to mole and then mole to number. So moles will be given mass, that is 4.2 upon N3 minus molar mass is 42. That is 0.1 moles. Okay. Now number of N3 minus ions would be 0.1 into N. Nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. There are 3 nitrogen atoms. Therefore, in N3 minus, there would be 15 valence electron plus 1 negative charge is there, that is 1. Therefore, total is 16 electrons in its valence shell. Therefore, total number of valence electron would be 16 into 0.1 into N. So your answer would be 1.6 N. I hope this question is clear to everyone. I'm again going to repeat this. You have given 4.2 gram of N3 minus and you have been asked to calculate total number of valence electron. Okay, in nitrogen atom there are 5 valence electron. So total valence electron in N3 will be 15 plus 1 negative charge is there. For 1 negative charge we add 1 electron. Therefore, total electron is 16 electrons. First, we calculated moles. Moles is 4.2 divided by 42, that is 0.1 mole. And after finding mole, we had calculated number of N3 minus ion, that is 0.1 into N. Now for valence electron, in one N3 minus ion, there are 16 electrons. So if we have this many N3 minus ion, then total valence electron would be 16 into 0.1 into Na, that is 1.6 into Na. So this is our final answer. Mahesh, okay, I just repeated this again. Okay, I'll explain this again. Just try to understand, okay? See, in this question, this is one ion, single ion, okay? 4.2 gram of N3 minus is given to you. First, calculate moles of this. So 4.2 divided by 42. There are 3 nitrogen, therefore 3 into 14, which will come 42. Okay, so molar mass will be 42. So 4.2 divided by 42 is 0.1. Now, in one nitrogen atom, there are 5 valence electrons. So the molecule is made up of 3 nitrogen atoms. So total valence electron will be 15. And there is one negative charge in these 3. So plus 1. So total valence electron is 16 electrons. After calculating moles, we just calculated number of N3 minus, that is 0.1 into N. Okay, in one N3 minus there are 16 valence electrons. So if we have this many N3 minus ions, you will get 16 into 0.1 into Na valence electron, that is 1.6 Na. I'll give you a question to solve this again, so you will get a practice on this. Okay, fine. Mahesh understood the question. Okay. Now try to solve this question. 6 gram of carbonate contains how many electrons? How many electrons? Or calculate total number of electrons in 6 gram of carbonate ion. You can start to solve this question. Atomic mass, okay. Carbon 12, oxygen 16. Okay, everybody, first tell me what is the moles of 6 gram. Moles is 6 by 60. That is 0.1, right? In carbon, there is 6 electrons. In oxygen, there is 8 electrons. And for 2 negative charges, there is 2 electrons. So total electrons are 16 electrons. So in one carbonate ion, there are 16 electrons. Okay, so we had calculated moles. Now, number of carbonate ions. Sorry, just multiply by 3 also. So answer is 32. This is 32 electrons. 32 electrons. So number of carbonate molecules will be 0.1 into Na. Now total electrons will be 0.1 into 32 into Na. That is 3.2 Na. This is the answer. I hope everyone understood this problem. Okay, so KP already told me the correct answer. Very good, KP. Okay, so let's do one objective question. Question number 42. I want everyone to solve question number 42. D is for deuterium, okay? Deuterium. Deuterium has a mass of 2 and electron is 1. Deuterium contains 1 electron and it has a mass of 2. Hydrogen has a mass of 1 and electron 1. I'm waiting for your answers. So KP got the correct answer. I'm waiting for others too. Okay, Mahesh also got the correct answer. Very good. So how you are going to solve? Mass is given. First calculate moles. So moles of D2O will be 2 by 20. That is zero point 0.1. And moles of H2O will be 1.8 by 18, which is 0.1. In oxygen, there are 8 electrons. Okay, therefore D2O will have 10 electrons and H2O will also have 10 electrons. So if you multiply 0.1 into 10 into Na will be total electron in D2O, and 0.1 into Na into H2O will be total electron in H2O. So the answer is coming same. So correct answer is option 2, which is same. Now this question number 43 is your homework. Try to solve this question. Okay. All right. So I hope everybody has copied this question. Now I am going to end this session. Those who have any query, they can send me message on Zoom only and let me know your feedbacks. Okay. And please revise all the formulas which we had studied today, because this is very important. This is the basic concept and this is going to be frequently used in chemistry. Okay. So I'm just signing off you guys. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.